Hello everybody, coming at you with all my might. It's my, how you guys doing today? I just wanted to show you tires from my TW. Now look at this one. This one, the knobs are, just absolutely like trash. So I replaced this one with this one, brand new tire they had on it. But you know what? It still absolutely sucked off-road. So I have a solution. Yeah. Let's try this out on off-road. This is a Michelin XC12 mud tire. It's a 140/80/18. And you know where I got it from? CC. This came off my KTM 300. So I'm gonna recycle it. Like, you know, these knobs, they're still pretty good knobs compared to knobs on that. So I figured let's give it a try, and the side knobs are still awesome. But I put a new tire on my bike when I went to Hatfield McCoy. So I'm gonna throw this on there and we're gonna do a quick test ride. Stay tuned. Alright guys, here we go. We're going to test out. We got a lot of muddy trails and whatnot. We're going to test out the front tire. As you can see it on there, I did the video. Like I said, the stock one just sucked. Like, you would spin out and slide out every single time. Now we are going through some pretty gnarly mud, so we'll have to see how it fares. But right now, you can notice it's a little bit chunkier on there, but does it feel so much more in place? I think the front tire, because I have this one on there, is more in place than the back tire. I don't know, we'll have to do some comparison, but it feels like it's way more true than the stock tire. But then I'm still spinning all around on the back tire, so we're gonna go do several rounds, hit some different terrain. But so far, I'm liking it. It just feels so much more stable. Now I just need to get a big tire for the rear. Let's see how much mud we collected. Okay. You can still see the knobs somewhat. Whew, need to get moving. See, the front just tracks, and then I got the back as just being all squirrely on me. Which I'm liking that front sticking. That feels amazing. Now they have a mod that you stick a four-wheeler tire on the rear, and I'm gonna probably get that done here as soon as I get the time and the extra money, because it's like $100 just for the tire alone. It's $100, so that's $100 I don't have to spend on a front tire at this moment. But give it some time. As much as I like the front, I'm gonna love the back being able to track this well. But as you can see, we're hitting diverse terrain, and I feel so much more confident. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a lot easier to hit on the four-wheeler. Yeah, I am just absolutely loving this tire on the front. I'm all muddy. we're down to about 20 on this trail. And you know, I've never felt this confident on this bike doing this speeds, because the front tire just sucked. Now, I'm sure you wouldn't want this for the road, so keep in mind I'm doing mostly just off-road and dirt roads. I'm gonna hit the dirt road and feel her out. But as for just cruising up the trails and whatnot, it feels like a rock. Now I can't wait to get the back tire done. I know I said that about 5 times now. Now I am running like 13 pounds of pressure in the front. I'm not quite sure what my rear is, but I know I ran this tire when it was a rear tire on my CC, my KTM 300. That's what I ran in it, which was 13 pounds. So I don't think I ever got a pinch flat running at 13 pounds, so we'll ride it out and see. But I know I did with my front tire on CC, but that's a different story. We're gonna jump out on the road real quick, and then I'll let you guys know if I approve this. Now this is a slightly worn down tire. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to get a new one to fit. Oh, I don't want to get out of my face. Ow! Ow, ow, ow. But like I said, this was a worn tire, so I'm pretty sure you'll be able to get a new one fit. It might slightly rub against your front fender. Up and over. Woo woo, like a champ. Got some gnarly stuff in here. Does make the steering a little heavier, but 'tis to be expected. When you start leaning over pretty good, it starts to feel a little weird. But rabbit, you're not supposed to be doing the Grand Prix with these. They're not race bikes. I just went through there at a relatively high rate of speed. I absolutely love this tire. I would say if you wanted to try a front tire, sick of that stock one, get a Michelin XC12. It's a beautiful tire for front. I love it. Now this is a 140 80/18, and it's just solid. I'm loving it. You got good stopping power. Plus I just put front brakes on this too, so got knobby power.